Welcome to Expert Agency's Center for Research and Excellency in Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Today we are going to discuss a project that is suitable for mechanical engineering students as well as automobile engineering students. The title of this project is Measurement of Emission in Tractors. Tractors, we specifically focus on tractors operated by diesel power. So in this project our aim would be to measure the amount of emission from tractors. So being an Indian scenario, we would like to work on a 45 HP Mahindra tractor. The experiment will find the amount of CO, HC and NOx emission from the farm tractor which has got a diesel engine, and it has been used as a laboratory investigation, and the same can be extended for further research related to emission control. The tractor emission will be done first in the laboratory, then the same tractor will be used for ploughing a field, and again there also the exhaust emission will be measured. According to the measurements, an estimation of total emission produced during field works, particularly during the field work related to rice cultivation and maize crop under Indian conditions. So these things are all measured. The results show that there is a considerable amount of emission contributed by farm tractors towards the environmental pollution. So finally we will conclude which emission is higher, either CO or HC or NOx, which emission gas is high in the farm tractor. So that we will finally conclude. So that is the ultimate goal of this research work. So the final outcome of this research can be used as a primer for further investigation